Hey guys, it is PsyDreamer back with yet another cosplay transformation. This one was a little out there for me. I haven't done this cosplay in a good while. And I still need to repair my shell. Some of the spikes came off. I hope eventually I'll be able to make a tutorial on how I made my turtle shell. But anyways, so yes, I am cosplaying as Bowsette. The choker I'm wearing right now is actually not the one I usually wear for her, but I could not find my usual accessories, so oh well. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to leave a like, and let's move on to the tutorial. My voice cracked. As always, before I actually start working on my makeup, I make sure to put in my contacts before anything else. And now I'm going to start off with a primer all over my face to ensure that my makeup will last longer and have a smoother application. Then I put a primer for my eyelids to keep the eyeshadow lasting longer and to make the brighter colors stand out more. And I also made sure to color correct so I wouldn't forget to do it later. I especially applied a yellow concealer to my dark circles so they would look less severe. Now I'm starting on the eyebrows by putting a concealer over them so they would be easier to fill in the color that will kind of match the wig. Then I took a red eyeshadow and applied it over my eyebrows, although they're still pretty dark, so they're not exactly going to match the wig perfectly. I'm starting the eyeshadow by using an orange eyeshadow and then applying it onto the crease area and blending it out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking the same red shade from earlier and applying it onto the crease area, although not as much as the orange eyeshadow, and I blend that as well with a fluffy brush. With this particular color, I'm going for a more cut crease sort of look. I actually didn't hit record until the last minute for this part, but I did apply a green eyeshadow onto the lids, and it does have a bit of gold shimmer so it doesn't look too harsh. To finish the eyeshadow, I apply a white shimmery shade onto the brow bone and onto the inner corners, although I forgot to film that part. Whoops. Once all that's done, I just take my favorite liquid eyeliner and I apply it with a wing shape like I always do. Now I'm going to apply concealer as needed, especially on the under eye area. Then I take my favorite full coverage foundation and I apply that all over my face. Now I'm moving on to the eyelashes. So I first start off with putting on a pair of false lashes, this is optional, and then I curl them and apply some mascara to blend them in. And to finish off the eyes, I apply some black eyeliner onto the waterline. So now I'm contouring my face as desired, although I'm not exactly an expert at it. And I'm just using the brighter end of the contour stick under the eyes, and on the chin, and right above the lip on the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the nose bridge. Then I apply a little bit of blush on the face to add some more color to it. And then I top it all off with a little bit of highlighter. And I begin adding the final touches, starting with a layer of translucent powder. Then for the lips, I start off with black as the base color. Then I add some red lipstick on top, focusing on the middle area. And I finish it off with a wine red lip gloss. And now that I've finalized the look, I put on the crown that I stole from Princess Peach. Alright you guys, so that was it for how I do my Bowsette makeup. Quick fun fact, this is actually the last cosplay I ever wore at a con before Corona happened. And I still feel like there's some things I could improve on it. Especially with the wig. It's a little brighter than it's a little bit brighter and shinier than I expected, and I need to invest in more glue to stick my wigs to the skin so you don't end up seeing all this down here. Anyways, once again, if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I try to post new videos every Saturday. If you guys want to see more of my cosplays, be sure to follow me in the links down in the description below. If there's any of those cosplays that you want me to do makeup tutorials for, let me know as well. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Here, please.